The 2022 Yamaha YZF-R1 World GP 60th Anniversary Edition is not just an answer to that question. It is a statement that the DNA of a MotoGP champion can be bottled and offered to the public. This isn't a simple paint job. This is a masterclass in homologation, where every component tells a story of racetrack dominance. To understand this machine, you must first understand the livery. The YZR-500-esque yellow and black stripes are not a random retro callback. They are a direct homage to Yamaha's 60-year history in Grand Prix racing, a lineage that includes legends like Kenny Roberts and Wayne Rainey. But look closer. The specific shade of speed block yellow, the placement of the 60th anniversary badges, this is a deliberate act of connecting the rider to a legacy of two-stroke screamers and 500cc monsters. It's a psychological link, a constant reminder that you are sitting on a piece of living history. This emotional connection is the first layer of its perfection. Beneath the celebratory skin lies the heart that defines the R1, the 998cc CP4 crossplane crankshaft engine. Let's move beyond the marketing speak and analyze why this design is so critical. A conventional inline-4 has an even high-pitched scream because its pistons move in harmonious pairs. The crossplane crank, however, introduces an intentional imbalance. Its 270-degree firing order creates an uneven pulse of power. This results in two profound advantages. First, traction. On corner exit, when the tire is on the limit of grip, the crossplane engine delivers power in a more manageable, less abrupt pulse. It feels like a big twin, allowing the electronics and the rider to harness the 200 horsepower more effectively. It's not about having power, it's about being able to use it. The engine's brutal character is cradled by an equally sophisticated chassis. The Delta Box aluminum frame is tuned for flex and rigidity in all the right places. But the true genius of the 2022 model lies in its electronic nervous system. It's equipped with a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, the brain that interprets the bike's every movement. Graphic overlay listing the electronic systems: PWR, LIF, SCS, TCS, LCS, QSS, EBM. Let's break down the acronyms. Power Delivery Mode, PWR, adjusts throttle response from soft to aggressive. Lift Control System, LIF, Yamaha's anti-wheelie that is incredibly unobtrusive, allowing for maximum drive. Slide Control System, SCS, manages rear tire slide, a feature born directly from MotoGP data. Traction Control System, TCS, and Launch. Control System, LCS, self-explanatory but calibrated with a finesse that feels intuitive. Quick Shifter System, QSS, enables seamless full-throttle upshifts and downshifts. The most critical, however, might be the engine brake management, EBM. This allows the rider to fine-tune how much the engine slows the bike on deceleration. On track, this is paramount for corner entry stability and reducing rear tire chatter. This level of configurability turns a fast bike into a personalized racing instrument. So what exactly does the World GP package add over the standard R1? It's in the details that elevate the experience from track-ready to track-honed. The Öhlins NPX fork with its nitrogen pressure system provides more consistent damping under extreme braking, reducing fork cavitation. The lightweight magnesium wheels are not just for show. They reduce unsprung mass, resulting in quicker direction changes and improved suspension response over bumps. The grippier seat surface and the premium, billet aluminum adjustable foot pegs offer superior rider connection and control under high G-forces. These are not cosmetic upgrades. They are performance multipliers that sharpen an already razor's edge. The 2022 Yamaha YZF-R1 World GP 60th Anniversary exists at a crossroads. In an era of increasing electrification and homogenization, it represents a peak of internal combustion, electronic-aided, analog-feeling performance. It is a machine that demands respect and rewards skill. It doesn't just wear the colors of a champion, it embodies the philosophy of one. It is a sophisticated, detail-oriented, and deeply emotional piece of engineering that serves as a fitting tribute to 60 years of racing DNA. It is in many ways the perfect leader-class superbike. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please like and subscribe for more detailed analyses of the world's most incredible machines. Let us know in the comments. In the age of the electric superbike, is the crossplane R1 a glorious finale or a timeless benchmark?